Hi guys, actually, I'm eating bread. I'm very starving, and I'm looking for a job. But it's not easy to find a job here. One of my friends guys just told me that there's an application called Palphone. You could make money online, talk to some Chinese people, and then make some money. So if you are interested, if you are in the same situation with me, where you need some money, you can speak English, then this video is for you. Yeah, I forgot. That's another part. The video parts, you can make videos about the culture, about anything you want, just 30-second video, and then you can get something around $5 per video, which is very very good. So basically you need each star. If your video gets awarded 2 stars, then you get $10. If it gets awarded 3 stars, you got $15. 4 stars, $20. So if you make 5 good videos, you got $100 per day. Look at it, isn't it amazing? Yeah. So I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna take you around to know how it works, how to download the app, and everything you need to know. Okay, here we go. I got my phone right in front of me. I'm gonna look for the App Store. Either Chinese or American, both are okay. Just click on it. You need to input the keyword Palphone. Palphone down. Go through the search button. Then it shows up. All you need to do is to download the app. Once downloaded and perfectly installed on your phone, Android or iPhone, both are okay. You just need to click on it and set up your environment. I will recommend you to choose English as your native language if you want to teach English, and then the second language that you want to learn. Maybe you can choose Chinese or French, depends on where you're coming from. Alright, I'd like to point out something very quickly before we jump into the tutor parts where you can make money. This part where you chose the second language, you can use it here to call some native speakers in the second language you chose to be your language. You got 3 minutes for free calls to communicate with native speakers in the second language you chose. But then if you want to maybe call for more minutes, you need to top up your balance. Then the question comes, how to apply to become a chat pal or tutor on this application, then start making money. Here we go. The first option is to go here. As you can see, this is for a learner. He has not been accepted yet. So you can see here, chat pal tutor. Click on it. Apply for chat pal or tutor is to fill in your information. The second step is an introduction video where you're going to talk about yourself, talk about your experience. You can, say something interesting about you. You know how it works, and check on some videos online to see how to talk about an introduction video for an online teaching job. The third part is about practicing. They might ask you to explain a long word to a new learner. It could be passport, so you got to divide it into syllables, maybe pass and port, and then tell them the meaning of the complete word. So once accepted, if you go to tutor, chat, pal options, tutor options, you can see now that they have released the panel. So you can just check it out, check the chat part, check to receive the course. If you want to receive the volunteer course, you can check it too. And the course comes from here, this part. You can see, now see, I can get a call. If I want to accept the call, I can take it. If I don't want, if you waste too much time, you're gonna lose the call. The video part is right here. So once you are on it, you click here. Then you can click here to upload your videos, the gallery. To withdraw your balance, you need to go here, General, My Wallet, Withdraw. You can use Alipay or Pay. If you want to check your transactions, you can just go here. Then you see I withdrew $50 right here. Then I took it, today is the 1st, so by the 15th of this month I'm gonna get my money into my account. Maybe if it's PayPal or Alipay, they're gonna send it to the currency that your country is using. If your PayPal is in dollars, they send the money in dollars. If it's in yuan, they send you the money in RMB yuan. Alright? So you don't need to be afraid of that. So good luck, and please do not starve yourself. There's a lot more to do here. So I've made some videos that got 2 stars, lots of time. So now I'm kind of making cool money, and I love it. And the good part is that I can learn Chinese too.